Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. And let's talk a little bit about changes that we're going to experience after the vaccine. If you're finding yourself needing to have to access some public assistance facilities, be advised that some of those places usually have a large population of people who come through and utilize them. So if you're not in the condition of actually wearing masks or gloves when you're going to these places, there's a good chance that they may not even let you in without one. So please take the opportunity to make sure you get as many protective equipment as possible and find out whether they provide them there in the event you have to go there and you need to have gloves or masks in order to be able to come inside. Don't be surprised if some of these places move to more of a virtual format. You're probably seeing this already. They're encouraging you to come over the phone. They're encouraging you to email. They're encouraging you to go to their websites. And this may be really, really stressful for you if you're not used to navigating in these things. But start getting into the practice of using these things now. So this way, as they continue to evolve, you can become more comfortable with using them. Find out before you go to these places if they provide any personal protective equipment for you in order to go there. If you're having to go to different locations, you may not have a mask readily available, or you may not have any hand sanitizer readily available, or if in some cases they may require you to wear gloves. You might not have these things readily available. So before you go there, so that you're not in a situation where you're turned away, and I doubt they will, but just so that you don't get into that situation, ask in advance, do they provide you at least even a one-time usage of a mask, so that this way, if you have to go to these places and you have to have personal protective equipment, if you don't have anything readily available, this way you know they can provide it to you. Most important, be aware of your surroundings. When you're going to public health facilities, you're dealing with populations of people who are coming from all different types of walks of life and different exposures that you may not be aware of. And so when you get there, even though social distancing may be practiced, even though there may be gloves and personal protective equipment may be practicing, start getting into the groove of going there and paying attention to what you touch. Whether it be door handles, whether it be the back of seats, any of these types of things,